Good morning, children. Welcome to e-learning classes. Children, today in social studies, we are going to start a new chapter, that is Greenland, the land of ice and snow. So, children, before giving the introduction of Greenland, first I'm going to tell you the regions around the North Pole and South Pole are the polar regions. Yes, and there is a Arctic Ocean around the North Pole and Antarctic continent around the South Pole. Children, this Greenland region lies in a frigid zone, snowy area. Yes, the Greenland is the largest island in the world, and it is the largest island in the world. It's located in this region, in Arctic region, and it is a self-governing. Greenland is the world's largest island and dependent territory by area in the world. Its capital city is Nuuk. इसकी capital है Nuuk, and earlier Nuuk was called Gotthard. First European. Just see this picture. This person, he is the first European who visited Greenland was Eric the Red. Yes, his name was Eric the Red. And he is the person who gave the Greenland its name. Yes. So, children, just look at this triangle. This is a Greenland island, and throughout the year, it is covered with snow. At least 80% of the area covered with snow. Greenland is a self-governing province of Denmark and its capital is Nuuk. This region lies in the Arctic Circle, and thus most of this island lies in the frigid zone in the northern hemisphere. Frigid zone, it means the covered area with the snow. The southwestern coast of the Greenland. Children, 80% of the area is covered with snow of the Greenland, but 20% area is a southwestern coast, and it is the warmest part of the country. ये warmest part है जहाँ पर vegetation होता है, and thus most of the people live here. बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पर रहते हैं. Children, look at this picture. What is this picture? We see big blocks of ice floating in water. देखो कैसे ice float कर रही है water में. These are known as icebergs. इनको क्या बोलते हैं? Icebergs. Huge pieces of ice frequently break off and float in the sea. They are called icebergs. जब बड़े बड़े आइस के स्नो के पीसेस गिर जाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड, और जो फ्लोट करते हैं सी में, रिवर में, दैट इज कॉल्ड आइसबर्ग्स. एंड आर ग्रेट डेंजर. ये बहुत डेंजरस होते हैं फॉर शिप्स बिकॉज दे आर मोस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट रिमेन इन द अंडर वाटर. ऊपर जो होता है सी के ऊपर जो अपर पार्ट होता है उसमें बहुत कम दिखता है, बट येस मोस्ट ऑफ इट्स पार्ट रिमेन्स अंडर वाटर. वहाँ पे वो फ्लोट करते हैं. सी दिस पिक्चर. Now there is a picture of some icebergs, different, some small, some big icebergs. Climate. Children, जब इतना snowy area है, then how was the climate? कैसा होगा यहाँ का climate? So it's very cold. बहुत. The climate of Greenland is called the polar climate. Yes, it remains very cold throughout the year. There is a very little rainfall and the temperature is always below 0 degree. During winters में तो several months में कभी एक बार कहीं पे sun दिखाई देता है. Yes, and there is a heavy snowfall. बहुत तेज snowfall होता है यहाँ पे. Yes, and but only the southwestern coast, warmest part of the country where most of the people live in this Greenland. Children, see this picture. This is the picture of cold polar winds. कैसी तेज हवाएं चल रही हैं, and these winds blow at a speed of about 160 kilometer per hour. Yes, these cold winds speed is a 160 kilometer per hour. Vegetation and wildlife. Yes, it is not possible. Nothing grows in the ice-covered areas of Greenland. In the coastal, the snow melts for a short period. बहुत ही कम टाइम के लिए यहाँ पे snow melt होती है. Yes, and the vegetation is, it is not possible to grow plants due to the very cold climate and thick cover of snow. यहाँ पे कोई भी vegetation नहीं होता है. Only the grass and lichen grow in the southern Greenland. Southern Greenland में यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा vegetation होता है. That is lichens, mosses, shrubs, berries. Wildlife. ओनली दोज एनिमल्स, वो एनिमल्स जो बहुत ज़्यादा सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं, एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं, ओनली दैट वाइल्ड एनिमल्स फाउंड हेयर एंड दैट आर रेनडियर, yes, polar bear, musk ox, wolf, and the Arctic tern. This is a bird. Agriculture and industry. Only fish processing is a major industry in Greenland. Yes, fishing is the main work of the people here, live here. Very small part of our land in the southwest suitable for agriculture. बहुत ही कम एरिया है जहाँ पर एग्रीकल्चर होता है, मैं आपको बता चुकी हूँ. And some vegetables such as potatoes are grown. The main work is here, that is a fish processing is a major industry in Greenland. People of Greenland. Yes, Inuit. वहाँ के लोगों को क्या बोलते हैं? Inuit. So, Eskimos are native people of Greenland. Eskimos or Inuit is the same word. They are the native people of Greenland. They have learned to live in extreme climate. उन्हें पता है कि कैसे ऐसे extreme climate में रहना है. And during winter season, Eskimos built igloos with ice blocks. Ice blocks and fur skin is spread out on the floor. Why they called Eskimos? They live nomadic life. They not stay at the one place. They move here and there in search of food. The Eskimos or Inuit are the original inhabitants of the Greenland. They are mainly hunters and live by fishing and hunting animals found in the region. See this picture? They are the Eskimos. The people wear clothes made of skin. जो लोग वहाँ पे रहते हैं वो animals, coats and trousers are made of animal fur and hood-lined jackets with fur are worn by men and women and children, and such jackets are called parka. इनकी जो jackets पहन रखी होती हैं that are called parkas. Yes, and they wear long leather boots, और जो leather boots पहने होते हैं they are made of seal skin. Seal is a bird. Seal is a sea animal and it is made of seal skin. So their feet warm in the snow. Look at this picture, children. This is the picture of harpoon and this is a picture the boat. The Eskimos boat is called kayak. इसको क्या बोलते हैं इस boat को? Kayak. और इनके जो hands में है that is harpoon. The Eskimos are skilled hunters and harpoon is their main weapon. It is a spear with a long leather rope. It is used in hunting seals, walruses and big fishes. Yes, Eskimos अपनी खुद से अपनी बोट बनाते थे and that is called kayak जिसमें वो बैठे हुए हैं and they are good swimmers also and it is used that harpoon is used for hunting sea animals. Now children, the life has changed. Now the changing lifestyle of the person of the Greenland. The lifestyle of Eskimo is changing now. Many of them shifted to small towns and live in wooden houses. Look at this picture. These are the wooden houses of the people live in Greenland. And see, they now in place of kayaks, yes, they use motorboats have been made available to them. The capital Nuuk is the biggest town with a population of about 15,500. Nuuk is the capital and its population is 15,500. The economy of Greenland is critically dependent on fishing and fish exports. The fishing industry is by the far the largest income earner. And the other minerals are like, aluminium, nickel, platinum, tungsten and titanium and copper are also, numerous mineral projects are growing rapidly. Transport and communication. The major airport is Kangerlussuaq Airport on the west coast of the Greenland. So this is the boat from town to settlement and the coastal ship along the west coast. Only these are the transport that the people use in Greenland. Culture and sports. The culture of Greenland has much in common with बहुत common culture है for the Eskimos tradition, as a majority of people are descended from Inuit. People still go for ice fishing and there are annual dog sledge races. And the traditional Inuit way of life was influenced by the harsh climate. यहाँ का climate ऐसा होने की वजह से the people live a very simple life, and the tradition as a majority of the people descended from Inuit. So children, the chapter is complete. So everyone first read the chapter very carefully. Yes, reading is very important. First read the chapter, watch the video. Thank you. God bless you, my children.